Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Right, today we're going to do a very short mini project to verify email addresses. So we're going to start off with a subroutine called verify email. Right, we're going to print enter email. So the user will enter the email in there. And again, we're going to do scalar entry and get the input from the user using standard input here. To do the chart, scalar entry. Now we're going to come on to the conditional here, so we're going to say if scalar entry. Oh, 1 second, I'm going to do the matching operator, but for some reason on this particular machine I'm on, it doesn't work, the matching operator, so I've saved it in a file somewhere. This is it, so you'll just have to bear with me a second. I've saved it in there because on this computer, I don't know, it doesn't seem to work, this operator, for some reason, so I've had to save it in there. Anyway, this is just my little workaround. So we're going to use the matching operator. I'm going to use regex to match, and the first character I'm going to match, if it's in the email string, is the @ character, and then we go on to and I'm going to match again. Paste this in there. Okay, and the next little character is the dot, as in .com. So we're going to see if the email contains those. Right, I'm just going to come down here, neaten that up a little bit. And then we're going to print here. If it does contain those characters, we're going to print scalar entry is a valid email, new line. Or else, if it's not a valid email, we're going to tell the user that as well. So this is going to be else. Print the message to the user. Print scalar entry. Do this in caps. Is not a valid email address. Okay, new line there. Okay, now all we have to do is call the function subroutine verify email, save it, and let's run the program. Oh, got a little bit of an error here. Let's have a look what went wrong there. Okay, I was a little bit hasty there. I should have put scalar entry. Oops, in the wrong position. Let's just sort that out. Scalar entry there, and the and here. Okay, let's just save that and run it again. Okay, so let's enter an email. Let's enter a real email. So I'm just going to put dave@hotmail.com. Yeah, let's hit enter. Valid email. Okay, let's import an invalid email. Let's do the same again. dave@hotmail.com. Okay. Is not a valid email address. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and supporting me this year. I'm going to be taking a little bit of a break over the next couple of weeks because it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, a Happy New Year to you, you know, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and watching my videos. Until the next time, bye-bye.